Welcome all. I'm just going to do a quick video here of a brand new Apple Watch Hermes bracelet that just got released. I actually didn't even know this one came out until I seen it on somebody else's channel, and I decided I needed to have it. So I figured I would do a quick, a very express version of an unboxing to show you guys what it looks like a little bit more in depth. So I already put it on the watch and everything. Like I said, this is going to be a very express version of it. So I currently have the Apple Watch 6 in the space graphite. I'm sorry, not space black. Graphite stainless steel. And I ordered this Hermes band, which retails for $319.99 on Apple.com. It's made out of a material. It feels like material, but like wrapped in, I don't know, like leather wrapped material, kind of. But you can tell that the stitching is extremely high quality, especially where like the graphics are. You can tell that the everything is just, very high end. Even the buckle, it's got the stainless steel to match the watch, and it's got the Hermes logo on it with that double clasp. On the underside, you can see all the stitching. You see it's very detailed. This band is definitely not a $20 knockoff you're going to find on Amazon. You can see some Hermes branding right there on the bottom of the bracelet. And the band does come in this nice mesh fabric, which is very high quality. It's very soft. It feels like felt or maybe even velvet. Comes with some brochures in this pocket over here. Designed by Apple in California and Hermes in Paris. And then each side of the bracelet goes in this side right here. All right, so that's all for the Hermes. It is called the Jump bracelet. Let's see. The Jumping Single Tour, this is called. And it comes in many different colors, which you can see on Apple's website. Some of them are size dependent. They only come in the 40 millimeter. This particular strap is available in the 40 millimeter and the 44 millimeter. I actually have the 44 millimeter right here. So as you can see, the lugs perfectly match the watch. So there's really no offset there. It looks like it actually came together, which is really nice. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. And leave some comments in the feedback section. Thank you.